Hello everyone. Today we will learn about lesson 1 of vocabulary in Hindi from English. So let's begin. First word is word. Word in Hindi is youth. Word in Hindi is youth. Youth. Next is peace. Peace in Hindi is shanti. Peace in Hindi is shanti. Shanti. Next is gambling. Gambling in Hindi is jua. Gambling in Hindi is jua. Jua. Next is ordinary. Ordinary in Hindi is sadharan. Ordinary in Hindi is sadharan. Sadharan. Next is offer. Offer in Hindi is prastav. Offer in Hindi is prastav. Prastav. Next is strike. Strike in Hindi is dharna. Strike in Hindi is dharna. Dharna. Next is plant. Plant in Hindi is paudha. Plant in Hindi is paudha. Paudha. Next is soul. Soul in Hindi is atma. Soul in Hindi is atma. Atma. Next is business. Business in Hindi is vyapar. Business in Hindi is vyapar. Vyapar. Next is wood. Wood in Hindi is lakdi. Wood in Hindi is lakdi. Lakdi. Next is robbery. Robbery in Hindi is loot. Robbery in Hindi is loot. Loot. Next is journey. Journey in Hindi is suffer. Journey in Hindi is suffer. Suffer. Next is businessman. Businessman in Hindi is vyapari. Businessman in Hindi is vyapari. Vyapari. Next is priest. Priest in Hindi is pujari. Priest in Hindi is pujari. Pujari. Next is devotion. Devotion in Hindi is bhakti. Devotion in Hindi is bhakti. Bhakti. Next is freedom. Freedom in Hindi is swatantra. Freedom in Hindi is swatantra. Swatantra. Next is crime. Crime in Hindi is aparadh. Crime in Hindi is aparadh. Aparadh. Next is art. Art in Hindi is kala. Art in Hindi is kala. Kala. Next is artist. Artist in Hindi is kalakar. Artist in Hindi is kalakar. Kalakar. Next is game. Game in Hindi is khel. Game in Hindi is khel. Khel. Next is bird. Bird in Hindi is pakshi. Bird in Hindi is pakshi. Pakshi. Next is pigeon. Pigeon in Hindi is kabutar. Pigeon in Hindi is kabutar. Kabutar. Next is elephant. Elephant in Hindi is hathi. Elephant in Hindi is hathi. Hathi. Next is lion. Lion in Hindi is sher. Lion in Hindi is sher. Sher. Next is bear. Bear in Hindi is bhalu. Bear in Hindi is bhalu. Bhalu. Next is earth. Earth in Hindi is dharti. Earth in Hindi is dharti. Dharti. Next is Mars. Mars in Hindi is Mangal. Mars in Hindi is Mangal. Mangal. Next is diamond. Diamond in Hindi is Hira. Diamond in Hindi is Hira. Hira. Next is iron. Iron in Hindi is Loha. Iron in Hindi is Loha. Loha. Next is ice. Ice in Hindi is baraf. Ice in Hindi is baraf. Baraf. Next is snow. Snow in Hindi is himpat. Snow in Hindi is himpat. Himpat. Next is sheep. Sheep in Hindi is jahaj. Ship in Hindi is jahaj, jahaj. Next is shotgun. Shotgun in Hindi is banduk. Shotgun in Hindi is banduk, banduk. Next is English. English in Hindi is Angrezi. English in Hindi is Angrezi, Angrezi. Next is heart. Heart in Hindi is dil. Heart in Hindi is dil, dil. Next is yellow. Yellow in Hindi is pila. Yellow in Hindi is pila, pila. Next is advantage. Advantage in Hindi is love. Advantage in Hindi is love. Advantage is love. Next is remaining. Remaining in Hindi is baki. Remaining in Hindi is baki, baki. Next is more. More in Hindi is or. More in Hindi is or. Next is need. Need in Hindi is zarurat. Need in Hindi is zarurat, zarurat. Next is support. Support in Hindi is sahyog. Support in Hindi is sahyog, sahyog. Next is location. Location in Hindi is stan. Location in Hindi is stan, stan. Next is airport. Airport in Hindi is Hawai Adda. Airport in Hindi is Hawai Adda, Hawai Adda. Next is area. Area in Hindi is ilaka. Area in Hindi is ilaka, ilaka. Next is district. District in Hindi is jila. District in Hindi is jila, jila. Next is distance. Distance in Hindi is duri. Distance in Hindi is duri, duri. Next is restaurant. Restaurant in Hindi is restaurant. Restaurant in Hindi is restaurant, restaurant. Next is hotel. Hotel in Hindi is hotel. Hotel in Hindi is hotel, hotel. Next is ticket. Ticket in Hindi is ticket. Ticket in Hindi is ticket, ticket. Next is price. Price in Hindi is कीमत. Price in Hindi is कीमत, कीमत. So this is the lesson 1 of vocabulary. Thanks for watching my video. If you feel my video useful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Meet you soon in my next video with another new lesson. Take care. Bye.